有没有工作？你工作吗？今天 I'll be like， 我有工作 ，I have work。
Yeah.
你几点下班？你今天几点下班 ？And I'll be like, never, never. 我今天很忙 ，like I only have like a 3-hour stream, but I'm like 我很忙。阿姨，我忙的我过不来 ，you know, I can't come over.
Yeah, just like
actually, I just don't want to see her.
I know, right? I don't want to see any of my relatives, to be honest.
Yeah, so just like. Okay, 那我过来。Like if I don't say that I'm gonna go over, they're gonna be like, 那我待会儿下完班我过来，我给你送一点饭。And I'm like, please, no. Every time I get fucking groceries or like leftover food from my aunt, it's like a fucking buffet. Like I can't get rid of it. Like I have to throw half of it out.
Oh my god, yeah, and they bring like
only one person. Like, okay, I have kangaroo tail, lamb head, pork buns, vegetable buns, and this one your grandmother made. Not your real one, the one that's alive. I'll be like, okay. Sometimes she's like, 拿吧，你要多吃一点，你太瘦了。
好瘦啊你食多啲啦，買多啲肉啦。
Like, what, you're trying to fucking make me obese or something? Like, am I supposed to eat 10 Tupperwares of food every single day just to satisfy you?
Yes.
I'm gonna throw it back up.
Because I think that's basically it. You gotta do it. You gotta do it for the family, Anna. It's all about the family.
Oh god, family. Yeah, it's true. You gotta do it for the family.
Yeah, do it for the family. 太瘦啦 ，Anna， 食多啲啦。哇，睇你個手臂咁細嚿細。
I actually understand that because my roommate's grandfather, I think we went to like his, I don't know, like 95th birthday once.
Yeah.
He looked at me for the first, like this was our first time meeting. He looked at me, he's like, 太瘦了, like in Cantonese. And I'm like, 你好. Thank you. That's literally what he said to me the first, and then he passed away the next year. And I'm like, and I went to the funeral, and I'm like, I remember the first time we met, he said I was too thin, so now I always try to remember to eat a little bit more than usual. For him?
Just for him, because like that was his first reaction to ever see me before he died.
Yeah, I literally was just like, that's the only thing he's ever said to me, and I'll take it to heart. You know? I will eat more. My grandpa actually always sounds pissed. I don't know if he is, but I think that's just how he speaks. But he'll be like, 你太胖了。还有你呀，你太瘦了，你要少吃一点，你要多吃一点。哎呀，现在的孩子怎么这样养？你们怎么养这样的孩子？like he sounds so pissed, and I was like growing up, I'd always be so scared of him. Like he just sounds pissed all the time.
Grandpas in general, they always sound sort of pissed.
So, yeah.
And
he like smokes so much, and he like he's still alive. Like,
I know, right? Everyone just smokes and drinks. Oh, everyone, you know, like